In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to start your own faceless YouTube channel step by step, how you can make an engaging and professional faceless YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice. And I'm going to share with you this faceless YouTube channel. As you can see, I did some research and I found this faceless YouTube channel that it's doing good, and if you want you can copy this niche. It's about the health, okay, health. His name is Healthness, okay, and it's really growing and getting million of views. As you can see, it's still small channel, but the videos they upload are getting million of views, as you can see. Or for example, this one over here, what happens to your body when you eat 2 cloves every day? 2 million views in 5 months ago, okay. This one 2 million views, as you can see, and so on, okay. So to start like this faceless YouTube channel, as you can see, those people are not showing their face on those videos or using their voice. They are using free website to make like those videos. It's easy and simple, and they are getting millions of views and making a lot of money, okay. So I'm gonna share with you the method that they use to make like those videos, okay. So let's get started. So for example, let's start with, so for example, I want to make a video about this topic: what happens to your body when you eat 2 cloves every day. What I will do is I will go to chat GPT, okay. So let me show you. Let's go to chat GPT. I'm gonna delete this script. I'm already using chat GPT. If you don't have an account on chat GPT, go to Google, search for chat GPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and you can just use free version like I use, okay, as you can see over here. So this will be your home page. Click over here, and I'm gonna ask him, make an engaging YouTube script about what will happen if you eat 2 cloves every day, okay. And I will click over here, and here you go. Your chat GPT will start creating your YouTube script. As you can see, it will give you the title, segment 1, segment 2, your introduction, and engaging professional YouTube script, okay. So what you will do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So you can use your own voiceover. You can record this YouTube script, or what you will do is, let me show you. This is your title, introduction. So let me copy this script. So I'm gonna, for example, copy just the segment 1 to show you like this. So what you will do, if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to Google, search for Play HT, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. This is an AI voice generator website. It's easy and simple and for free. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one, okay. So what you will do, you just need to click over here on change voiceover and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos, okay. They have different voiceovers, as you can see: American voiceover, British voiceover, Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover, and you can choose which one you like. So for example, let's check this one, American voiceover.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the roles for which he is best known. Elliott was essentially Jamie Curtis.
As you can see, or this one.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting...
They are really in high quality, and they are almost like a human voiceover. So you can use, choose which one you like. For me, for example, I like to use this one, Chris. I will click on this voiceover, and you can click over here on confirm. And what you will do, you will put your script here like this, and click over here on generate speech, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your voiceover will be recorded, okay. So what you will do next, Let me show you. What you will do next is you need to turn this voiceover into professional and engaging YouTube video. So let's check.
First things first, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is packed into these tiny spice gems. Cloves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and
Here you go. I will click over here on this icon, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. What you will do next is you will go to Google and you're gonna search for Canva. Okay, you need to sign up to Canva. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. You can see over here video. Okay, click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Let me show you. So let's click on video, for example, like that, to show you step by step. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. So what you will do, click over here on upload. Okay, then click over here on upload file. Okay, upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is my voiceover over here. Click on open. Okay, let's do it again. If it can happen, if it didn't upload, just click on upload file again and upload your voiceover. Okay, let me see now. Okay, it will be like this. It will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, then go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and you choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. For me, for example, I'm gonna choose this one, make it to 0.3 and click on apply between all page. Then click over here on elements, click on the search for gloves because we are making videos about gloves. Click on videos, easy and simple. You will find a lot of videos here about gloves. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on the video that you want to use in the first. So for me, I want to use this one. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background, and you need to make the video. Click over here. Okay, so let me show you. Click over here, swipe left, make it short. Okay, you can swipe left or swipe right, and you can control it, make it short or long. So for me, you should make it short and click on the next page and add different video. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Click 3 points, set video as background. You will make it short. Click on the next page. So your video will be engaging and professional. Okay, that's why you should make the videos short and add more videos. Okay, so let me see. I will click on this one over here, set the video as background, make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down. Let's see. I'm gonna add this one over here like this. Next page, scroll down. I will add this one, and you will keep using this method. Okay, it's easy and simple, and make your video long. Okay, so I'm just showing you the method for you. Give it time so you can make an engaging and professional videos. Okay, search for videos that will be matched exactly with your voiceover. Okay, if you give it time, it's easy. This is the method that you can use. Okay, let's check the video now, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. Let's see.
First things first, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is ginger. This humble root is packed with essential nutrients like ginger oil, which is not only responsible for its distinctive flavor, but also for many of its health benefits.
And here you go. As you can see, we just made Faceless YouTube video just by using Canva and free AI voiceover and chat GPT, and you can start heavy faceless YouTube channel like this one over here. As you can see, it's growing. The videos are getting million of views. This one 2 million views, 2 million views, and those videos are still getting views, making a lot of money for this channel. So it's up to you now if you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel or not. I'll show you the method that you can use to start. Of course, you can start, if you are using this method, you can start with $0. Okay, you just need to give it time, try it, it's for free. If you don't want to use AI voiceover for your YouTube videos, you can record your own voiceover by yourself, or you can go to like Upwork or Fiverr, and you're gonna hire a freelancer there. You can pay like $5, $10. They will record your YouTube script, and you will just pay just for YouTube for your script to be recorded, and for editing you will start using Canva. Okay, after your channel starts making money, then you're gonna go to again to Fiverr or Upwork, and you will hire people there. You will find good video editor, good voiceovers, and a thumbnail designer, and you can start your own business on YouTube. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.